Tararam pum.
So what is your view of that title, really?
Tararam pum.
Tararam pum, tararam pum.
Tararam pum, tararam pum.
Tararam pum pum pum.
Tararam pum 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 pum.
Tararam pum.
Pum 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 pum.
Tararam pum, tararam pum.
Oi, tararam pum pum pum, tararam pum pum.
Tararam pum.
Pum 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 pum.
Tararam pum.
Tararam pum as a title क्यों? ये फिल्म है बेसिकली एक स्पोर्ट्समैन की लाइफ में जो अप्स एंड डाउन्स आते हैं, तो हम जो दिखाना चाहते हैं कि जब भी जिंदगी में कोई गम हो या खुशी हो, जिसका टैगलाइन है जब भी हो गम ज्यादा है कम,
कम मुस्कुराएंगे हम, गाएंगे हम, तारारम पम, तारारम पम, तारारम पम.
It's basically showing the spirit of the film is to be up even when things are down.
When I first heard Tararam Pum, I didn't like the title. I really thought the film should be called something else, and I thought it was a slightly maybe childish, or I found it hard to relate to the title. But then when I saw the first promo related to sort of smiling through and singing this particular song through adversity, it becomes a song of hope, and it becomes a line of hope, which is what the film is about to me. And I now think that there couldn't be a better title for it.
So I think the film is about hope. It's about how to overcome and rise above your difficulties and face the world. And if you have the love and support of your family, you can basically overcome anything, and you can really be a winner at the end of the day.
There are so many things in life which we all take for granted. But these are all temporary things. They are here now, gone tomorrow. And what happens if it's gone tomorrow?
Tararam Pum is a family saga, really. It's a family story. It's a story of a relationship of a couple with their 2 children. It's dressed up as a bit of an action story also. It's the story of a superstar. So it's kind of like a rise and fall and rise again. I think over the years, Saif has turned out into a very mature actor. The way he was performing in front of the camera, it looked so effortless. And it looked like, I couldn't figure out at times whether he was just talking naturally or acting. Even when he was talking to the dog, he looked so earnest and so cute.
देखो, हम सब भूख के मारे मर जाएंगे. कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है मैं अपने आप से बात कर रहा हूँ.
What really helped having Saif as a father and Rani as a mother was, it was very important for me to have cool parents. I didn't want them to be, just because they've become parents, they've lost their youthfulness.
Hey Saif, there's dog pee on the floor right near your feet. Dog pee. And you as well.
They're young, cool people.
I like Rani Didi the most. She used to hug us every morning. Then when we never used to laugh in the shots, the scene, the songs, she always used to tickle us and we used to laugh.
Action.
तुम्हारी बेइज्जती करते तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन मेरे हस्बैंड की टॉलरेट मैं नहीं बर्दाश्त कर सकती.
मेरी हस्बैंड की टॉलरेट?
Yeah, initially I was a little apprehensive shooting with Rani because I thought she's a fiery girl. But as days pass by, I realized that she's one of the most marvelous actresses that one can work with. She's so human, at the same time she performs so well.
कल हम शादी कर रहे हैं. आप आएंगे तो बहुत खुशी होगी. नहीं आए तो आप ही ने सिखाया है. दुख चाहे अपने दया पर है. दुखों को पीछे छोड़कर आगे बढ़ जाने में ही समझदारी है. आपकी हर दी हुई सीख पे तो अमल नहीं कर सकती. इस पे जरूर करूंगी.
Working with her is always a pleasure. It's not like working with an actress. For me, it's working with my younger sister, and it's a pleasure because the understanding and the way she is, and not much to do, and then she would also push me to, she would also drive me to do my best.
Salam Namaste के बाद I think everybody saw him more as a caricature, as a character. But I think there's a lot more to Javed Jafri as an actor. I said after this film, I'd rather people look at you more as an actor and think of you as फॉर अ लॉट मोर अदर कैरेक्टर्स एंड कैरिकेचर्स.
ये जो कैरेक्टर है प्राइमरीली एकदम फनी कैरेक्टर नहीं है. बेसिकली दोस्त भी है, मैनेजर भी है, फनी है, सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है, बट नॉट ओवर द टॉप. और एक रियल लड़ता भी है, रोता भी है. तो काफी अच्छे कुछ शेड्स हैं इस कैरेक्टर में.
देख, हर स्पोर्ट्समैन ऊपर जाता है, पीक करता है, और फिर सब. अकलमंद वही होता है जो सब होने से पहले रिटायर हो जाए.
इस फिल्म में थोड़ा डांस करने का एक चांस मौका मिला.
I've always wanted to make Javed dance because I have been a huge fan of his. बहुत मजा आया. उन्होंने भी मुझे थोड़ा नर्वस कर दिया कि मैंने बहुत दिनों से डांस नहीं किया. ऐसा स्टॉप हंसलिंग है. एक ट्रैम्पोलिन सीक्वेंस में भी हम लोग सबने सबको ट्रैम्पोलिन में डाला था. एंड जावेद वाज शोइंग ऑफ डूइंग हिज 180 splits after a span of how many years I have no clue.
लिख तो दिए हमने कि 2 बच्चे हैं और अच्छे रोल दे दिए, अच्छे डायलॉग्स दे दिए, बट अभी कास्ट करो, उनको ढूंढो बच्चे कहाँ हैं. ये ढूंढना वाज अ प्रोसेस. जो मेरे प्यारे असिस्टेंट्स हैं जो कुछ 500 बच्चों को स्कैन कर चुके थे, टेस्ट ले चुके थे बिफोर दे फाउंड दीज 2 kids.
This stupid. Yes, stupid. Daddy, I don't like dogs. Daddy, please, Bruno हमारे साथ रहेगा.
Okay, a vote. Okay, no, yes. That's 2 no's, 1 yes. We win.
Yeah, we win.
Doggy out.
Hi, I'm Ali. My character's name is Ranveer. My screen name is Priya and my real name is Angelina.
I think it's fun working with kids, and especially
phenomenal.
they were like
Such good
phenomenal.
actors.
Yeah, they were fantastic actors, and they were not spoiled at all, and they were like really very professional.
Psycho. अच्छा. Yeah, he's a psycho. Psycho है. He's a wonderful person.
Complete crackpot.
Crackpot है एकदम.
Bossy.
Stubborn.
Painful.
देखिए वो एक अलग से प्राणी है. एक अलग से. He's a very dear friend of ours, and we had a blast working with him again.
I feel he's seriously grown as a filmmaker. He's insisted on a particular frame. He's insisted on a particular camera movement. He's told the Jimmy Jib guy or the crane guy when to move it, how to come in. He's imagined the background music. He's imagined the length, the pause in performance. I mean, every little detail. The guy's done this himself. I mean, it's been exhausting watching him.
Got it, very nice. Okay.
I think Sid के बारे में यही बोल सकते that he's a little impatient, and I think that's because of his age. He's really young and
Chemically imbalanced is the word, actually.
I think with age and with experience, he'll get more calmer.
Senile. And he'll yell more. बहुत गुस्सा आ जाते हैं बहुत जल्दी. It's a mental disorder.